egg, rolling on the farm. Blue egg, happy, full of charm. Green egg, jumping up so high. Yellow egg, shining in the sky. Learning colors, come along and sing. With Jumpy and Loly, colors make us grin. Eggs on the farm, so bright and fun. Let's learn together, everyone. Orange egg, bouncing on the ground. Purple egg, dancing all around. Pink egg, smiling big and wide. Rainbow eggs, colors side by side. Learn